The Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design. It features a 6.2-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and equipped with 12 GB of RAM, the device ensures seamless multitasking and efficient performance. The triple rear camera system includes a 50MP wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, enabling users to capture high-quality photos and videos. With a 4000 mAh battery supporting 25W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging, the S26 Edge offers reliable battery life. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, the device provides an intuitive user experience. Additionally, it boasts IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in various environments. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge stands out as a premium smartphone that delivers top-tier performance and features.